So I purchased this lock for $89, I believe, and it's pretty solid. Quick on the fingerprint scanner, and great on the keypad. Just this had a little problem with getting the code. Remember, the code has to be 6 digits. I wasn't aware of that, and it took me like an hour to realize that. But overall, thumbs up on this product. It works great.
Come in, please.
As you can see, quick lock. After a little while, it'll lock up. It's locked, so I cannot open it. I'm gonna use a wrong finger and see if it'll miss.
Invalid fingerprint.
So it's a pretty good, decent lock. Enjoy.